epic of all time जो हम यहाँ पर celebrate करने आए हैं. अभी भी कुछ लोग settle हो रहे हैं. We request you quickly settle out because today is not only about cinema. Today is about our faith, our culture, and a story that shouldn't go unnoticed. Well, right here, ये जो सबसे पहली पहल यहाँ पर आज आप सभी के साथ हम यहाँ से शुरू करने जा रहे हैं. But for the ones who've dared to dream big, अभी मैं जिनके नाम यहाँ से announce कर रही हूँ. Of course, this is the main team of the title that you see right behind me. So with every name, I want कि आप जोरदार तालियां, shout out, पुणे स्टाइल में सीटियां भी आ ही सकती है. So for our visionaries, Namit Malhotra, our visionary producer, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Nitesh Tiwari, India's finest storyteller. Of course, जो अपने इंटेंस कैरेक्टर के लिए प्रख्यात है, वैसे हमारे एक्टर रणबीर कपूर फैन मेक सम नॉइज. Awesome, a superstar in himself for Yash के fans. And wow, I love that energy. And the one जिन्होंने ग्रेस की एपिटोम बन चुकी है, वैसे हमारी वेरी प्यारी साई पल्लवी. Let's hear it. But to add on, आज जब आप ये पहली glimpse देखेंगे, तब आपको समझ जाएगा about the incredible music done by the amazing music maestros Hans Zimmer and A.R. Rahman. So today's, yes, of course, music composition आज जो आप निहारने वाले हैं is definitely going to add on, and it's going to be touching your souls down deep. So be ready, be excited. If you're moving around, we request you to quickly settle, please. So this is the exclusive unveil of Ramayan. A warm welcome to one and all. अब सिर्फ भारत तक ये कहानी सीमित नहीं रहेगी, but it belongs to the world. So फिर एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on everybody, show me great energy this time. Okay, but quickly because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे वीडियोस निकल रहे हैं, काफी सारे पिक्चर्स लिए जा रहे हैं, एक्साइटमेंट बिल्कुल बरकरार है. तो पहले की तरह फिर एक बार रणबीर कपूर मेक सम नॉइज. यश फैंस कम ऑन मेक सम नॉइज. साई पल्लवी फैंस, आई वांट द लाउडेस्ट शाउट आउट फ्रॉम यू ऑल. एंड वाओ, अमेजिंग. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज हम यहाँ पर जिन्हें सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, हम चाहेंगे कि आप सभी अब यहाँ पर से we have a special message for you all, but before that, a quick mention for the stunning visionaries that I've been talking about. तो सबसे पहले एक मोमेंट ले लेते हैं उनको भी acknowledge करने के लिए before we get you all started right here. So Namit Malhotra is not just the producer of Ramayan, but he is the man behind it. जिन्होंने 18 साल की उम्र में एक मुंबई के गैराज से अपनी कहानी, अपना सफर शुरू किया, and today the biggest visual effects company around the globe. I am sure that many of you are not aware about it. इसलिए we want to bring you some more knowledge that he began the very famous Prime Focus and then D-Neg, which is now very popular and has delivered its magic in movies like Inception, Interstellar and Dune. Now एक fun fact की बात आपको नहीं पता होगा. If you know, then amazing. This is the same company, this is the same team that has brought 8 Oscars to India. इसी बात पे जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. 10 years, and to make this amazing project, more than 10,000 artists, storytellers and technicians have been binded together to bring you this amazing epic, greatest of all time Ramayan. And one quick word for our director Nitesh Tiwari, जो दंगल and छिछोरे के लिए प्रख्यात है. He's touched millions of hearts with his work. And with Ramayana, of course, हम greatest epic of all time इसीलिए कह रहे हैं because अब आप जो स्क्रीन पर देखने वाले हैं, that is going to be a story of a lifetime that we've been celebrating as Indians. but अब बारी है कि world wide platform पे हम रामायण को celebrate करें. Before we actually bring the video asset for you all, we have one quick video for each one of you. I request you to glue your eyes upon the screen as we have a video message for you all.
Hello friends, and namaste from my heart to all of you. This is Namit Malhotra here, and I'm very keen and excited to share this moment with all of you. I started in this industry 30 years ago, growing up in a film family, setting up a little studio in a garage in Mumbai, and turning it into a true global entity that works with some of the greatest filmmakers and studios across the world. I'm here today to talk to you about something even more special, something that's been my dream my entire life. It gives me great pleasure to introduce you to the world of Ramayana. Ramayana, that's the story of our culture, our truth, our history, our growing up, the way we've all learned a lot about each other, how humanity and how our thought process and values have shaped the world and continue to do so. All of us should take tremendous pride and feel great joy that we are able to bring this great story and great epic to the world in the grandest form and manner possible. In my journey of bringing Ramayana and the world of Ramayana to all of you, without the one and only Nitesh Tiwari by my side as the director, this could not have happened. His vision and his storytelling for Ramayana is not only unique, but is exemplary. What we're presenting today is the foundation of where the Ramayana comes from. The trailer and the teaser will happen subsequently, which we will joyously come to you again and present at the right time. As much as I would have loved to have shared this excitement with you in person, I'm unable to be there physically, but I'm sure all of you are going to enjoy it and celebrate Ramayana like all of us are doing. Enjoy every minute. All the very best.
Hi all. I welcome you to the event. Thank you for coming. I would love to be a part of your experience, but as you can see, that I'm caught up at a shoot. When I was very small, my grandparents would recite Ramayana to me, and I found it extremely fascinating, even as a very young child. Then my parents took me to a theater to watch Ramayana. And as I grew a little older, I started going to Ram Leelas with my friends, and I was completely in awe of what I saw. I genuinely believe that Ramayana chose me. I consider myself very lucky, and I sincerely hope that with this Ramayana, people will feel the same excitement and same enthusiasm which I witnessed as a child. What can I say about Namit? He brings in infectious energy, infinite passion, and really, really great belief because, like all of us, he too believes that Ramayana deserves nothing but the best to be told to the whole world. I still have to pinch myself to really believe that I'm working with such a star cast and such great bunch of technicians who are so accomplished, such big names. Like it's totally, truly unbelievable. What you're about to see is a glimpse of Ramayana. I'm very excited for you guys to witness what we have created. I thank you all for being a part of the beginning of this epic journey.
Absolutely, we all are very, very excited. But before that, हमारे बच्चे हो, हमारी युवा पीढ़ी हो या हमारे बुजुर्ग हो, this is an epic that binds all the age groups, all the generations together, and it is a celebration of our faith and culture. So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are we ready to celebrate the greatest epic of all time? Make some noise! I think we can do a better for one last time. Are we all ready? Presenting Ramayana.
या भाई स्पेशल रखी किती वेळ काय टाइम काय आपला याचा काय टाइम तुम्ही आहे समजत नाही काय नाही
रोहित सर
रावेचे आने का प्रॉब्लम
कैसे
कोणी पैसा नाही
हेलो हाँ हाँ संकल्प
संकल्प अरे
कौन है चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा था सर यार
এটা তো আসবে না ঠিক মতো ওয়াও শিট
Absolutely. This is about our truth, our history. Welcome to the world of Namit Malhotra's Ramayan, and a few of you missed it. And for all the once more, we are definitely going to replay. So we request you to glue your eyes up on the screen once again.
ओ आराम से
कृष्णा
जय श्री राम भाई एक बार 2D में प्ले कर देता
हो गया
हाँ
पॉज कर दो
इट्स टू गुड सीरियसली टू
Absolutely. Can I hear the response? How do you like it, ladies and gentlemen? क्या बात है? मैं जहाँ पर बैठी हुई थी, वहाँ पीछे से कोई कमेंट्स आ रहे थे कि 3D में क्या दिख रहा है, बॉस? I think it was you guys. Do you all agree that it was a great vision? Yes. Amazing. It absolutely felt, because you know यही कनेक्शन की हम बात कर रहे हैं, और ये कहानी भी अपनी रामायण की बात है. As the tagline goes, our truth, our history. हमारा सच, हमारा इतिहास. तो in the true Punekar spirits, tell me if I'm right. We call सच को हम मराठी में सत्य कह सकते हैं, राइट? और इतिहास इतिहासी. तो मैं यहाँ से एक क्विक इम्प्रॉम्प्टू वे में आप सभी के सपोर्ट के साथ एक यहाँ पर वी वांट टू प्ले विथ यू ऑल. मैं कहूँगी आपलं सत्य, यू विल से आपलं इतिहास. ओके, रियली रेडी? आर वी रेडी? With the loudest shout outs and top voice, okay? आपलं सत्य, आपलं सत्य, our truth, our history. This is Namit Malhotra's Ramayan. Thank you everybody for joining us today. Once more, अभी twice तो हो गया. Actually, we are on a time constraint. बट यू नो व्हाट, जैसे कि हमने वीडियो ग्लिम्सेस में भी देखा कि ये तो बस पहली पहल शुरुआत ही है. द टीजर, द ट्रेलर लॉन्च एंड हर एक आगे बढ़ती हुई पहल के साथ, आप सभी के सपोर्ट के साथ हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. बिफोर यू ऑल लीव द थिएटर, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कि आपके जो भी रिव्यूज है ये पहले वीडियो एसेट को देखकर आप सभी, यू कैन शेयर योर रिस्पॉन्सेज इन वन वर्ड टू द टीम मेंबर्स प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड. तो आप अपना रिस्पॉन्स डेफिनेटली शेयर कीजिएगा. एंड वी आर शेयरिंग the very first poster of Ramayana, the greatest epic of all time, with all of you. So do collect it for you all and spread the word, enjoy further and keep the spirit high towards the next moments that of the teaser and the trailer that we will be witnessing in the near future. As they say, Diwali 2026, ये तो हम definitely celebrate करेंगे साथ में with Ramayana, the greatest epic of all time. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for joining in today. Do share your video bites quickly while exiting towards the team present outside. Thank you once again.